Right, so I'm here at Tumana today. I just wanted to do a range test of my XSR. If you are a subscriber for this channel, you know that my quad Damon, it crashed spectacularly because of a really bad failsafe and dropped out of the sky a couple of weeks, or I think it was already a couple of months ago or a month ago. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a range test with the XSR. I'm going to be showing you my setup and I'm going to do it. Alright, stay tuned. So this thing here, weird contraption, is my XSR to a battery and an ESC with a BEC, so that's powering the XSR. And what I'm going to be doing is I just wanted to check the range, or we're just going to do a range test with this XSR. Since the last time I was able to use this, it fail-safed spectacularly, and I had to fix the antenna. So I haven't tested this since I fixed the antenna, but yeah. What I'm going to be doing is I have my XSR placed over there. I'm just going to be walking all the way somewhere there to the end of this field, and I'm not sure if that's enough to cause a fail-safe, because I believe I should be able to handle that distance. But yeah, I have my transmitter here. I'll probably run it in range test mode first, and then to see how far I can go out with that, and then maybe I'll switch to just the normal mode and see at one point would I run out of RSSI. Right, so let's just go do this. So I haven't gone very far on range test mode. I am already at RSSI critical, so that's not really very promising, but yeah, let's just go do this and switch it to normal mode and let's see. So I'm already halfway across the field, across Tumana, and I've switched from range test mode to normal mode, because with range test it's quite expected, because it switches to around 1/30th the power. So right now I'm almost across the field. I'm not sure if you can still see the car over here. But yeah, I'm getting RSSI low, the RSSI critical, but I'm still getting signal. So at least that's a good test. At least I know you can reach one end of the field to the other field. Okay, so I'm still getting a little bit of signal, but it's dropping in and out, getting RSSI critical warnings. So the car is, where is it? There's the car. There's where my XSR is. So I'm right here across the field. I'm right about the end. And yeah, so this is about where the signal of my XSR ends. But that's at least good. At least let's me just get out of the road for a bit. So yeah. Well, at least now I know that the quad can go end to end, and this is at ground level, so if you're flying the quad much higher in the air, then you can probably get a little bit more range from that, because it doesn't have to interfere with the ground as much, and you have a clear line of sight when it's up in the air. So yeah, anyway, I'm happy at least that XSR can go. I'm not sure how far that was, but I'm just gonna put that down below here somewhere. And yeah, XSR range test, I'm happy with it.
The way I feel you, I know it's not the real you. I love the way you touch me, but only through the touch screen. Love the way you touch me, but only through the touch screen. I hate the way I feel you. I know it's not the real you.